I've owned a lot of boats over the years. This is my third Pursuit, and I find that the Pursuits are just a very well-made boat. The hardware is everything's oversized, it's beefy, it's strong, the boat's solid, it doesn't rattle. I've never done the decking on Pursuit boat that I've had. I've always wanted to, but I've never found a product that I thought was good enough to put on the boat, not until I found this product. Robert, I came across, I saw his boat here at the marina. Then he had an advertisement up in the marina store. So I looked at that and I looked it up online and did some research, and I found that it was definitely a superior product to the Sea Deck that I've used in the past. Quality service was exceptional, above and beyond pretty much anything I've seen in the boat industry. As far as communication, calling back, answering calls, answering questions, communication before, during, and after the sale was outstanding. The pricing was very fair compared to what I've seen in the past, even a little lower than some of the, and I've seen some applications of other decking that's definitely not as well installed and as smooth, and as the contours are, the symmetry is as excellent. I mean, way better than I've seen on even bigger boats that are more expensive. This product and installation is definitely better. That color definitely complemented the interior of the boat. Under top side of the boat, which is a dark gray, the seats are white with a light gray. This medium gray with a black pinstriping was perfect for the boat. I want to do it for 3 reasons. I want comfort, slip, and appearance, and it definitely checks all the boxes.